Do you want to know how you can check your saved translation in Google Translate? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can check your saved translation. Go ahead and open Google on your Chrome or Edge browser and then log into your account. Now click on Google Apps and then click Translate. You can see that Google Translate has now been opened. Now to see your saved translations, go ahead and click Saved. You can see that this bar will appear over here. This is your saved translation. So to unsave it, go ahead and click on the star again and it will be unselected. You can even sort it according to alphabetical order or date, and you can copy it or export it to Sheets as well. So all you have to do is click on the Sheets icon over here and it will open up a new Google Sheets data. So go ahead and click import the data over here and it will take some time, and you can see it has been imported and you can use it. So all you need to do is click saved and you can see this appears. You can even listen to it. And then you can sort it by alphabetical order, date, and you can export it to Google Sheets. Now to delete all of it, go ahead and click clear all saved by clicking on this 3 lines over here and then click delete. So that's how you see your saved in Google Translate. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.